Welcome to this beautiful acreage located west of Stony Plain. This home is situated on 3.83 picturesque acres with lots of mature trees, and is within walking distance to Lake Isle. Inside you will find an open floor plan with a large kitchen, and a great center island. Entertaining will be a breeze with this large dining area that is open to the kitchen and living room. This spacious living room boasts a cozy corner fireplace and vaulted ceilings. Relax in the large oval soaker tub at the end of a long day. There is another 4-piece bath and 2 more bedrooms. The master Oasis features a 4-piece ensuite and a walk-in closet. With over 3 acres of land, you and your family will have lots of space to spread out and enjoy country life. Gather around the fire pit and do some stargazing at night. Your pets or farm animals have a convenient pasture area already fenced and ready to go. Relax on the large deck and enjoy barbecuing all year long. Park your vehicles and toys in the oversized double-car garage. At the end of the driveway you can overlook the lake that is only meters away. Come have a look at this gem of a home today.